Hello guys, welcome on all troubleshooting code video for the dishwasher HISENSE HV. So the first error message is F10 overfilling water. Clean the drainage pump, see the chapter care and cleaning. The next troubleshooting code is F11 water outlet fault. See water remains in the dishwasher under problem in the table below. F12 water inlet fault. Check that the water tap is on, check the outer filter on the inlet hose is not blocked. F40 inlet valve leakage. Turn off the water tap and contact your service center. F41 heater fault. Turn off the water tap, remove the plug from the wall socket and contact your service center. F45 diverter fault. Contact your service center. F52 water level fault. Clean the coarse and fine filters. Check that the outer filter on the inlet hose is not blocked. F54 overfilling water. Turn off the water tap and contact your service center. To avoid water leakage outside the dishwasher, do not remove the plug from the wall socket until the water tap on the supply line has been turned off. Problem F56 circulation pump fault. Contact your service center. F67 water inlet fault. Check that the water tap is on, check the outer filter on the inlet hose is not blocked. F68 BLDC drain pump fault. Contact your service center. That's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.